Hello friends, myself Prateek. In this session we are going to discuss object-oriented programming concepts. There are some other important features of object-oriented programming. Let's quickly discuss that too. Object-oriented programming also support the concept of encapsulation. Encapsulations means containing all important information inside an object while only exposing selected information to the outside world. It means we are actually keeping the sensitive data hidden from the users. And we can consider this by considering the example of a car. Here you can see that we have blinkers. The blinkers of a car can be considered as public entity, which is used to communicate with the outside world, while engine is hidden from the outside, so it can be considered as private. So every class can have some public and private members. Public members are used to expose the information of the class to the outside world, while we can keep sensitive data of class as private. And this concept is considered as encapsulation in object-oriented programming. It also supports abstractions. Abstractions is just an extension of encapsulation. This is done by creating a layer of abstractions between user and more complex source code. Let us consider this through this example of a car again. Here you can see that we have created a very simple user interface to drive the car, while the complexity is just hidden. For example, steering wheel, gas, brakes, all these are simple user interface, and we have just abstracted the whole complexity of the car and just create all those simple user interface, while the complexity of engine and mechanical mechanism to drive the car is completely hidden and enclosed within the structure, while we have only create a very simple user interface. So this can be considered as an example of abstraction. You can also consider abstraction through the example of ATM machine, where the whole network is hidden within the machine and it only has a very simple interface so that anyone can easily withdraw or deposit the money in the ATM machine. So you can consider ATM machine is an example of abstraction where complexity has been hidden from the user and we have provided a very simple interface to interact with the outside world. So it's just an extension of encapsulation where we just discussed that we have something for outer interface and something hidden which is complex. So we can create a layer of abstraction through which we can create simple user interface for our outer world, while all the complexity is hidden within the complex source code. This is all about the general concept of classes and objects. And in the next session, we will discuss how we can create classes and object in Python by understanding its syntax and code. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.